Chapter number 8, Human Health and Disease. Vaccination and immunization. The principle of immunization or vaccination is based on property of memory of the immune system. Immunization and vaccination is based on the property of memory of the immune system. In vaccination, a preparation of antigenic proteins of pathogen or inactivated weakened pathogen vaccine are introduced into the body. Means this type of vaccination, antigenic proteins of this pathogen or inactivated weak pathogen to vaccine are introduced to the body. This used for vaccination. The antibodies produced in the body against antigens would neutralize the pathogenic agent during actual infection. This type of vaccine also generate memory for mast cells such as B cells and T cells that recognize pathogen quickly subsequent exposure and overwhelm the inverts with the massive production of antibodies. If a person is infected with some deadly microbes, to quick immune response is required for this tetanus. Example for tetanus. Clear? We need to directly inject, perform antibodies or antitoxin. This is a role for this antitoxin. Vaccination means antitoxin. Antitoxin means a preparation containing antibodies to the toxin. Even in case of snake bites, second example, the injection which given directly patient contain perform antibody against snake venom. This type of immunization is called passive immunizations, means directly inject to the body, to the person. Recombinant DNA technology allow the production of antigenic polypeptide of pathogen such as bacteria or yeast. Recombinant technology, many vectors are used for this technology. Vaccines produced using approach allow to scale production, hence greater availability for immunization. This type of paragraph only for vaccination and this type of paragraph immunization. Example of hepatitis B vaccine produced from yeast. MCQS. Filling the blanks. Vaccine produced from yeast, hepatitis B. Second, hepatitis B vaccine produced from filling the blanks, yeast. Next topic, allergies. What is allergy? Allergy means the X-aggregated response of the immune system to certain antigens present in the environment called allergy. Clear? This is a first definition. The X-aggregated response of the immune system to certain antigen present in the environment is called allergy. When you have gone to new place and suddenly you started first sneezing, wheezing, explain reason, or when you went away your symptoms disappeared. Did this happen to you? Some of the sensitive to some particles to the environment. Most of the allergies effect of this environment. The above mentioned reaction could be because of allergy such as pollen or mites, which are different in different place. The X-aggregated response to immune system to certain antigens present in the environment. This is a mostly affected for this antigen in the environment present is called allergy. The substance to which such immune response to produce called allergens. Which substance? Allergen substance. The antibodies produced produce IgE type. IgE type. In NEET and Gujcat MCQS and 12 Science Board MCQS, filling the blanks, antibodies produced of this allergy IgE antibody. Common examples of these allergens are mites, most of the mites in dust, pollen, animal dander. And symptoms of allergy reaction include: first symptoms, sneezing; second, watery eyes; third, running nose; fourth, difficulty in breathing. These type of symptoms of allergy due to release chemical like, most important question in NEET, what is allergies? Release chemicals such as histamine and serotonin. Chemical such as histamine and serotonin from the mast cell. For determining to cause allergy, this patient exposed injected for the very small doses possible to allergens, and the reaction study for the drug like drugs like antihistamine, second, adrenaline, and steroid. Three types of drugs available in allergy: first, antihistamine; second, steroid; and third, adrenaline. Clear? Next point, steroids quickly reduce symptoms allergy. Somehow modern day life cycle has resulted in lowering immunity and more sensitivity to allergens. This affected for this more and more children. Metro cities of India suffer from allergies for disease like asthma. Main disease these allergens. Sensitivity to the environment. This could be because of the protected environment provided early in life. Clear? Allergies. What is allergy? The X-aggregated response to the immune system to certain antigens present in the environment called allergy. Antibody produce IgE, chemical histamine and serotonin, drugs like antihistamine, adrenaline and steroid, and disease like allergies, asthma. Next topic discuss autoimmunity. Autoimmunity, memory-based acquired immunity, evolved in higher vertebrates based on differentiate foraging organism. Foraging organism such as pathogens. Pathogen is a harmful organism. Pathogen is a harmful. Autoimmunity means it is a one type of acquired immunity, evolved in higher vertebrates animals, differentiate from foraging organism. Example for pathogen. Auto means self cells. Auto means self cells. While we still do not understand the basic of this, two corollaries of this ability to understood: one, higher vertebrates can distinguish foraging molecules as well as foraging organism. Main function of autoimmunity means one, higher vertebrates can distinguish foraging molecules as well as foraging organism. Most of these experimental organism for immunology deals with the accept to sometimes due to genetic and unknown reason. This body attacks self cells. Body attacks self cells. This result into damage to the body, and it's called autoimmune disease. What is autoimmune disease? Autoimmune disease means most of the experimental for immunology deals with the accept to sometimes of the genetic and unknown reason. The body attacks self cells and the result to damage to body called autoimmune disease. Example of autoimmune disease such as rheumatoid or arthritis, which affects many people in our society. Autoimmune disease. In NEET, GUJCAT and regular board 12 science MCQs, what is autoimmunity or autoimmune disease? Example, rheumatoid or arthritis. Main MCQs. Clear? Thank you, student.